In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Edge from Taskbar. If your taskbar feels crowded, or you simply prefer another browser, this quick cleanup will make your desktop feel a lot tidier. Just a heads up before we start, unpinning Edge from the taskbar does not uninstall the browser. It only removes the shortcut so it's not taking up space along the bottom of your screen. First, look along your taskbar for the Microsoft Edge icon. The taskbar is the horizontal bar, typically at the bottom of your screen in Windows, where you see pinned apps and open windows. The Edge icon looks like a stylized E in blue and green. If your taskbar is set to auto-hide, move your mouse to the bottom edge of the screen to reveal it. If you're using a vertical taskbar or a multi-monitor setup, check whichever edge your taskbar is docked to. If you don't see the Edge icon, it may already be unpinned, or it might only appear when Edge is running. Once you've located the icon, point your cursor at it and use a right-click. This opens the app's context menu. Be careful to right-click the icon itself, not a thumbnail preview of an open window. If Edge is open, hover briefly until you see the main icon, then right-click that. On Windows 10 and Windows 11, the menu can look slightly different, but you're looking for the same option. If you accidentally left-click and Edge opens, no worries. Just minimize it and try again with a right-click. In the menu that appears, click Unpin from Taskbar. As soon as you select it, the Edge shortcut disappears from the taskbar. If Edge is currently open, you might still see a temporary icon for the running window. Once you close the app, that will go away and the pin will not return. If you don't see Unpin from Taskbar in the menu, it could mean the device is managed by an organization that enforces pinned apps. In that case, you would need admin permissions to change it. Occasionally, after major system updates, Windows may re-add certain default pins, including Edge. If that happens, you can repeat this same unpin action. Right-click and choose Unpin from Taskbar. That's all there is to it. You've removed Microsoft Edge from your taskbar without affecting the browser itself. If you ever change your mind, you can pin it back by opening Edge, right-clicking its icon on the taskbar, and choosing Pin to Taskbar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more customized workspace.